This is Karen using the remote control to move her plane. So much easier because I was pushing it by hand. We're just gonna park it here out of the way. This is too cool. Isn't it fun? Wow, that's a new aspect of remote control. Watch, don't hit yourself with the wing. I know, isn't that fun? That is so cool. Now backing up is a little trickier. We gotta watch her go in reverse here, people. It's just not quite as stable for some reason. Well, regular vehicles aren't either. It turns on me when I want it to stay stable and it turns. Well, it's kind of like a tow truck. Yeah, well, but I know how to, I know how to back and stuff, but the thing, it doesn't stay where I put it. Yeah, yeah. It actually turns itself. Yeah. That worked pretty good. Yeah. I got that out of the way nicely. Ta-ta-ta-ta! And there is Karen's remote control plane moving episode.